can't. I always get so many questions asking where I get my. I'm assuming you guys want a picture.
I don't know her.
I'm so happy for you.
Oh my.
My family is just Chloe.
How many Thin Mints do you have? Babe, do you want...